That's what social housing is for, is to provide those good quality, warm, affordable homes. So what we wanted to really try to focus on was to change the customers' experience of living in their homes. So it was to make sure that the heat was consistent, it was always there in the morning, in the evening, and most of all, it was affordable.
These two blocks, Greyfriar and Whitefriar Courts, were the two blocks that hadn't received any retrofit energy efficiency works. So they were below the standard that we want to provide for our customers. The properties were in need of improvement works. We specifically wanted to improve the energy efficiency, to improve the energy costs for our customers and provide that thermal comfort. So we looked at the opportunity to deliver the external wall insulation system. We also wanted to go beyond that, and we wanted to address the heating system as well. So that's where the ground source heat pump system came into the programme.
The fabric was tired, I guess I'd call it. So at times it could be a little bit leaky, particularly in winter. And the heating system, sort of old traditional storage heaters, were not the best. So it really was an opportunity for us to improve the fabric of the building, but most of all to improve the experience of our customers who live in these blocks. What we were trying to do was to really build on our previous experience of our other 4 blocks, because the outturn and the output reports from that were all very positive. So really it was understanding how we could deliver ground source heat pumps with fabric works together as part of a whole solution rather than salami slicing it off, and where possible try to do that with minimal disruption to our customers.
Well, for Salix Homes, like a lot of housing associations, we're looking at the retrofit works, the needs across our existing stock. The scale of these blocks was exceptional for ourselves. I would say that a specific learning point for the sector is really making sure the planning and design phase, that there's the required emphasis and focus on that before you're engaging in the BSR gateway application process. That's fundamental in projects of this scale.
What we've learned along the way is really how to get to the end point. So as I said, it's actually about having an integrated approach. So it's looking at the fabric, it's looking at the heat source. It's really making sure that the contractors, you focus on the quality. Because obviously if you've got a contractor who you can work with, who can work with you, everything becomes easier. And I think it's actually having open and honest conversations with the contractors, with the funders, with GMCA, so that we all can understand and work together to overcome the hiccups that we all face in delivering these programs. I think it's very difficult to do this on your own, so it really is a group exercise. Together, what we've managed to do is to actually get it over the line, despite those challenges.
We're just coming towards the end of the completion, so we're getting some really good testimony from the customers that have started to use the heating system, but also the thermal efficiency, the insulation that we've got on the block will improve the summer peak heat as well, so it will hopefully provide cooler properties in the summer and warmer in the winter.